What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be sort of touching on file structure, but mostly naming conventions. What naming conventions are is a way to name your files so they are basically universally formatted across your project. So for example, if I were in my stylized asset kit, so if you're actually making a kit for the Unreal Marketplace, they will ask you to do the file format as well, or the file structure, which will be your project name, and then it will separate out into different folders here. In this case, I want to go into environment, I want to go into props, and then I want to go into textures. So if we actually look at the recommended file naming on the Unreal documentation, you can actually see what they ask you to do. So for example, materials are M_, material instances are MI, textures are T_, right? And then static meshes are SM_, right? So if we actually go back just to props, if I want to find just static meshes, I could always go into the folder. But if I was like, oh, SM_, boom, I get all the static meshes. If I specifically wanted the barrel, I could write barrel, right? But then if I'm like, oh, I actually want the textures to the barrel, so I go T_, I get all the textures. Oh, now I want the material. Now I want the material instance. You can use these prefixes to get a more, to get a very quick way to find your assets. If I also wanted to find certain textures, you have another naming convention you have after your texture. So for example, with the barrel, you've got your T_barrel, then _BC, which means base color. You've got _N, which means normal, and you've got _ORM, which is your occlusion roughness metallic, which is a map you export from Substance Painter. Now, if I had this ORM map separated out, it would be _AO for ambient occlusion, _R for roughness, and _M for metallic. Now, I'll quickly just show you a way to set this up in here. So I have a little bit of this untidy project. My lighter that I put in is not named or anything. So if we select the lighter, F2, whoops, F1 key, which opens up the help. So SM_electric lighter. For those of you who don't know how to rename something quickly, it's a Windows shortcut. If you click something and push F2, you'll be able to name it. So if I actually go into that, I'm going to copy the electric lighter part, click my map, T_, then I'm going to just Control V to paste it, _ORM, and you could start going through all of your textures and all the assets we're looking for to get them named up correctly. And again, this is actually a requirement. At least the last time, like that. Last time I uploaded something onto the Unreal Marketplace. So you'd usually have a file called whatever your project's called in your content folder. So let's just call it electric lighter. And then you go into here, you'd have your, so in this case, we don't really have an environment. So I think you'd probably be allowed to write props. You can look this up and they will show you the file structure you'll need. So writing props, we can then separate this out into materials, textures, static, what you could call models. I think they let you call models. And then if we actually open it here, we have them over there. We can then start dragging these in. So materials, textures, and static mesh. So now all I'll have to do is click on here. So my project folder, which is the electric light. And if I write SM_, find everything that's a static mesh. T_, everything that's a texture, and M_, everything that's a material. And then if I wanted material instances, which I don't have, MI, and if I did only want to find like the normal map, _N, _ORM for ORM map, and I could basically easily search for everything. This is not, if you're making your own personal project and it's just for fun, you don't necessarily need to do this, but it is good, especially if you're working as a team with people, to have naming conventions set up, because it's just a bit easier for you guys to basically be able to find each other's work. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.